A warm greetings to all. I am Sushmita, pursuing PG program in PSG College of Arts and Science. In this video, let us learn about recent trend in pteridology. Let's move to the slide. Pteridophytes. As we know, pteridophytes are an assemblage of flowerless, seedless, and spore-bearing vascular plants. It is also called as vascular cryptograms. In Greek, pteron means feather and phyton means plants. It reproduces by means of spores. It is also called as first land vascular plants. Moving on to the habitats, they may be of terrestrial, moist, or in shady areas. Some flourish in open, dry places, that is xeric condition, example Selaginella. Some in aquatic, example Marsilia. Some behaves as epiphytes, example Ophioglassum. In addition to this, some of the examples are listed in this slide. Let us now brief into recent trend in pteridology. As we know, pteridology is the study of ferns. The recent trend in pteridology are as follows: genomic research, conservation efforts, taxonomic revisions, ecological studies, medicinal and commercial uses, and ferns in urban environments. In genomic research, the genome evolution of ferns has been considered to be relatively static compared to angiosperms. Efforts are underway to sequence and analyze the genomes of select pteridophyte species. These projects provide a valuable resource of understanding the genetic basis of important traits and evolutionary relationships. Moving to the conservation efforts, pteridophytes face various threats including habitat loss and climate change. As a result, there has been an increased focus on studying the distribution, population dynamics, and conservation of the endangered fern species. This includes efforts to establish protected areas, reintroduce species into the natural habitats, and develop in situ conservation. In taxonomic revisions, with the aid of molecular techniques, taxonomists have been revising the classification and phylogeny of pteridophytes. This has led to the discovery of new species and a better understanding of the relationships of the different fern taxa. Researchers have explored the diverse physiological adaptations of pteridophytes, including their ability to tolerate extreme environments, survive under low light conditions, and their unique water transport mechanisms. In the area of ecological studies, pteridophytes play important ecological roles such as serving as habitat for various organisms and influencing nutrient cycling. Recent research has focused on understanding their ecological functions, interaction with other organisms, and their responses to environmental changes. Moving to the medicinal and commercial uses, pteridophytes have been used in traditional medicine for their antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Ferns have long been used in traditional medicine and as ornamental plants. Recent research has explored the medicinal properties of ferns, such as their antioxidant and antimicrobial activities. Additionally, there has been an interest in developing commercial applications for ferns, such as they are used in the horticulture and pharmaceutical industries. Some of the examples with their uses are listed in this slide. A major trend in pteridology is the fern in urban environments. Ferns are increasingly being used in urban landscaping due to their aesthetic appeal, low maintenance requirements, and ability to tolerate varied environmental conditions. Researchers are studying the suitability of different fern species for urban environments and their potential benefits, including air purification and noise reduction. This multidisciplinary field contributes to our understanding of plant evolution, biodiversity, and ecosystem dynamics. On an overall, recent trends in pteridology reflect a growing interest in understanding the biology, conservation, and application of ferns and their related plants in various fields, including genomics, taxonomy, ecology, and horticulture. Thank you for your patient listening.